Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you all to Nastra Public School online teaching system. This is week 2, subject computer, grade 8, chapter number 1, and the name of the chapter is More on Number System. This is the part 1 of the chapter. Further we will discuss or learn in the other parts. Before starting the lecture, let's discuss the students' learning outcomes. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to recognize the types of the number system and apply multiplication and division on binary numbers. Let's start the chapter. Does anyone know what number system is? And how many types of number system are there? We have already learned about number system and its types in our previous class. We have also learned how to convert binary numbers into decimal and vice versa. And have also implemented addition and subtraction on two binary numbers. We have learned all this in our previous book, that is book 2. So here we will have a quick review of number system. Number system are the techniques to represent numbers in the computer system architecture. Every value that you are saving or getting into from the computer memory has a defined number system. Computer architecture supports the following number system. Number 1 is decimal number system, number 2 binary number system, number 3 octal number system, and number 4 hexadecimal number system. This is also called hex. So the decimal number system has only 10 digits from 0 to 9. Every number value represents with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 in this number system. The base of this number system is 10 because it has only 10 digits. The next is binary number system. A binary number system has only 2 digits, that are 0 and 1. Every number represents with 0 and 1 in this number system. The base of binary number system is 2 because it has only 2 digits. And number 3 is the octal number system. Octal number system has only 8 digits from 0 to 7. Every number represents with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 in this number system. The base of octal number system is 8 because it has only 8 digits. The last one is hexadecimal number system. A hexadecimal number system has 16 alphanumeric values from 0 to 9 and letter A to F. Each number represents with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E and F in this number system. The base of hexadecimal number system is 16 because it has 16 alphanumeric values. Here A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14 and F is 15. Now let's move towards the multiplication. Before moving towards the multiplication, let's revise the rules of binary addition first, because in multiplication we are also performing the addition as well. So the rule number 1 is 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. Rule number 2, 0 plus 1 becomes 1. Rule number 3, 1 plus 0 is equals to 1. And rule number 4, 1 plus 1 is 0 with 1 carried over the next column. It means that the result of 1 plus 1 is 0 and will carry 1 to the next column. Rule number 5, 1 plus 1 plus 1. The result of these three ones are 1 with carried over to the next column. Now the rules of binary multiplication. Rules for binary multiplication are simple as our normal maths. Rule number 1, 0 multiplied by 0 becomes 0. 0. Rule number 2, 0 multiplied by 1 is equals to 0. Rule number 3, 1 multiplied by 0 is equals to 0. And rule number 4, 1 multiplied by 1 is equals to 1. This is same as our normal maths. Anything multiplied by 0 becomes 0. So all three rules, the result of all three rules are 0, and 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. So now move towards the multiplication. For multiplication, you have to watch this video carefully to comprehend how we can apply binary multiplication.
Let's take one example of your decimal number. I say 21 is multiplied by 12. Okay, we have to multiply them. So what we do in multiplication, we first multiply the number 21 with 2. So 2 multiplied by 1 is your 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is your 4. Then we just cancel out this position for the next multiplication. It means we are not going to use this position. We will start from here, and then we multiply 1 with this number again. So it will give us 1, 2. 1 multiplied by 21 is 21. 2 multiplied by 21 is 42. Okay, and then what we do, we just write it 2. 4 plus 1 is your 5, and then 252. Okay, you already know this thing. Now we will use the same way to multiply the two binary numbers. So let's take our first example. I'm taking the first number as 1010. The second number is your 101. We have to multiply them. Okay, so first I will multiply this number with 1, this whole number actually, not only this 0. This whole number 1010 is multiplied by 1. So what we are having? We are having 1010. Okay, then we will multiply this whole number with 0, and we will write it from this position, not this position. So it will give us 0 0 0 0. Fine. Now we again multiply this whole number with 1 because 1 is there. So we are having 1010. Okay, now let's add them up. 0, no other binary number is present here, so 0 will be written alone. 1 plus 0 is your 1. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is your 0. 1 plus 0 is your 1, and 1 plus 1 is your 2, that we can write as 0 here, and with 1 carry, this is your carry, yellow one is your carry. This addition thing we have already discussed. 1 plus 0 is your 1, and 1 plus 0 is your 1 again, so writing 1, and the 1 alone here is written in this way. So 110010 is your answer of this multiplication shown here. So what we did, we just took an example of a decimal number, we multiplied them, see how to multiply a number. Then we took the example of the binary number system, we multiplied them in the same way that we did for the decimal, and then we added them. And after doing this, we are with our result, which is 110010.
Hope you have understand the multiplication carefully. Now move towards the next step, and that is division. So before moving towards the division, first we will discuss the rules of binary subtraction. So the rules of binary subtractions are: rule number 1, 0 minus 0 is equals to 0. Rule number 2, 0 minus 1 is equals to 1 with borrowed from the next position. Rule number 3, 1 minus 0 is equals to 1. Rule number 4, 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. So these are the 4 basic rules of binary subtraction. This will help us in binary division. Now move towards the binary division. Here we have again the video. You have to watch this video carefully to understand binary division.
Binary division. We want to divide 101010 by 110, and before this binary division we will first revise division of decimal numbers. We want to divide 128 by 8, so this 128 is our dividend and this 8 is our divisor. We will start our division from the leftmost digit, and in this case we have 1 as the leftmost digit. 1 is smaller than 8, so quotient is 0. 8 times 0 is 0, and for remainder I will subtract this 0 from 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. This 2 will come down and we have 12. 12 is greater than 8, so quotient is 1. I will again subtract this 8 from 12 to get the remainder. Remainder is 4. Now this 8 will come down, so we have 48, and 8 times 6 will give us 48, exact division, and remainder is 0. So this is our answer, the quotient of this division, and we have to find quotient in every division. Now we will move to binary division and follow the same steps. We will start our division from the leftmost bit, the most significant bit. 1 is smaller than 110. 110 is the divisor and 1 is the leftmost bit of the dividend. So we have 0 as the quotient. 110, 0 times will give 0, and remainder is 1. Now the 0 will come and we have 10. Still 10 is smaller than 110, so again quotient is 0 and remainder is 10. This 1 will come down and we have 101. 101 is again smaller than 110. 101 is 5. 110 is 6, so 6 is greater than 5, and again we have quotient equal to 0. So remainder is 101, and this 0 will now come down and we have 1010. Now 1010 is greater than 110, and we only have two possibilities. We can multiply 110 by 0 or by 1. So we will multiply 110 by 1 this time, and we have 110. To find out remainder, we will perform subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 1 we have to take the borrow, and we have 2 here. 2 minus 1 is 1, and as we have taken the borrow from this position we have 0. So we have 100 as the remainder, and this 1 will now come down and we have 1001. So 1001 is again greater than 110, so we will multiply 110 by 1, and again we will perform the subtraction to find out the remainder. 1 minus 0 is 1. 0 minus 1 we have to take the borrow. We have 2 here, and when I give borrow to this position I will have 1, and here I have 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, and here I have 0 after giving borrow. I have 0. So 1 1 is the remainder, and now this 0, the last bit, the least significant bit, will come. 110 we have. 110 is equal to 110, so we have 1 as the multiply, and after subtraction we have 0. So we have complete division, and the quotient is 111. You can neglect these zeros because it will make no change, and we have 111 as our answer.
Now, I hope you have understand the binary multiplication and division perfectly. Now let's conclude today's lecture. Number system are the technique to represent numbers in the number system architecture. There are 4 types of number system: decimal, binary, octal, and hexadecimal. Rules of binary additions are 0 plus 0 is equals to 0, 0 plus 1 is equals to 1, 1 plus 0 is equals to 1, and 1 plus 1 is equals to 0 with 1 carry. Rules of multiplication are 0 multiplied by 0 is equals to 0, 0 multiplied by 1 is equals to 1, 1 multiplied by 0 is equals to 0, and 1 multiplied by 1 is equals to 1. Then we have the rules of subtraction. 0 minus 0 is equals to 0, 0 minus 1 is equals to 1 with 1 borrowed. 1 minus 0 is equals to 0 and 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. And then we had performed multiplication and division on binary. So that's all for today's lecture. Now it's homework time. You have to perform multiplication and division on binary numbers, and you also have to learn and practice the rules of addition, subtraction, and multiplication. You can take guidance from your book as well. Read page number 3 and 4 from your course book. Through these pages, you will learn multiplication and division on binary numbers. Thank you for watching. That's all for today. I hope you have found today's lecture easy and understanding. Thank you.